Right now?
Yeah, well, that will change. People will start cheering.
I think everyone is really exciting about the next group, and everyone is looking.
Wow, did he just say Filippo Brancaleone? There he is. Wow, legend as well, from Italy. He's been queuing for ages as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we have on the screen Feliks. And oh, Philippe Weyer just finished the first solve, right? Set 790. And
Oh, there we got Felix in his first soul.
Okay.
The room turns silent. $703. Ah, almost legend.
yeah, yeah, that's nice. So we have the little card for Feliks with his best performance. Who is on the right? Oh, so it's the other Mihal that I can't pronounce his name. Okay.
Was that
So
Zlewski?
8.12. 8.25
825 for Cornelius.
for Cornelius and 8.5
8.5 for Dario.
for Dario.
Yeah.
And there is Max on the stage right now.
Max on the left, getting ready to solve.
Yeah. Whoa, that's so fast.
719.
719
719.
and 768 for I don't know who it is. On the right. Oh, Patrick Ponce. Okay.
Was it Patrick? Yeah.
Oh, I didn't knew how it always looked like. Oh, 6.84
plus 2.
Oh, that's plus 2. Too bad. And 8.35. Apparently we missed a time. We missed a time somewhere.
I'm not really sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, well, Lucas got the 6 plus 2.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we missed some.
Yeah, we're exactly on the side, so we cannot really see the timers live.
Yeah.
There's Mats. Come on, Mats.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
6:42 for Mats.
Whoa, nice. Best time so far, I think, from Mats. 6:42.
Well, it's too bad the camera on the right only shows empty timers.
Yeah.
Clément Clément y a pas d'autres gens qui passent? Parce qu'on voit des timers vides tout le temps. Ok, d'accord. C'est parce qu'on voit pas d'ici. En fait, on est en...
Jaden going.
So I talked to the team who is filming, and they say that there was nobody else. There was 2 persons.
8:44 for Jaden. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Felix on his second soul.
Yeah. Whoa.
Dropped the cube before it was finished. 766.
Still got a 7 with this.
He doesn't look happy
incident.
with that, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Seung. Did he do his first solve yet? Probably. We maybe missed it. And Sebastian Weyer. that's a good one. Oh,
Whoa,
he
nice.
messed up the PLL there.
Yeah.
721 for Seung. Alexander Lau on the left. 793 for Sebastian. Yeah. People are already starting to be nervous, even though it's really not necessary in the first round. 855 for Alex Lau. Well, we maybe expected it a little bit more than that.
So there is Mats and Cornelis again, and Lucas on the left. .5, Lucas.
707 for Mats.
707.
Close.
That's great. I think he finished by like U3.
Oh, did he have a +2 there?
Maybe.
Oh, 842 for Cornelius. And 764. Where's Philip though? I haven't seen Philip yet. I missed him.
Yeah, I think I saw him solving the first. He solved the first kick.
Oh, 597 for Michał Pleskovic.
Michał Pleskovic.
Fastest time of the competition so far.
Yeah. Also, it's just in front of us, so you can't see it on the camera.
Yeah, it wasn't on the camera, unfortunately.
Just 5 meters. Yeah, it's 5.97.
Yes. That's Martin, the guy with the red top and the curly hair. That's Martin from Denmark. Oh, there's Philip on the right.
Yeah.
I had a long conversation yesterday with Philip about his cross. You know, he's really only a white cross solver, but still he manages to always see his first pair in inspection. 724 for him.
That's great.
So we challenged him to just inspect, close his eyes, and do the cross and first pair, which he did all the time. That was really impressive.
Wow.
Yeah. He even manages to when he's at OLL, he can even predict which exact PLL he will get. I'm not really sure if he can do it 100% of the time, but it's really impressive.
Yeah.
There's Seung in the middle. .761.
So Felix is here again.
Felix and Max, both solving. First sub-7 average with Ru was set. Wow. Well, good job to Kian.
Oh.
650 for
nice.
Felix. He doesn't look happy at all.
No. Felix seemed really more relaxed when it was the big
Yeah,
cubes.
he seems a bit tense.
Yeah.
He does.
Something is wrong. Maybe when he dropped the cube solved before, it was
yeah.
It was bad for his focus. He lost his focus. Michal is back after doing 5 last solve.
There's Mats and Antoine. .10 for Antoine. What did Mats get? Mats, it doesn't really look like it was. What was it, Mats? No, it's Michal.
Michal,
actually.
I can't see Michal timer. Yeah, it's
screen,
really hard to
screen is a
see.
bit hard to see from here.
Yeah.
Sebastian. Hmm.
8.5.
8:51.
Was it Bill? We did the 7 point.
Yeah, that's Bill.
Yeah, that's Bill. 7.18.
Yes, on the right we can see Kevin Gerhard. And there's Philip going again.
Oh, there is Alexander on the left. We didn't see him for now.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know what to do before. So there is Mats on the right. Yeah, 7.2 and 7.8 for Alexander.
Yeah, there's the other Alexander. 9 seconds. Maybe he hasn't been practicing that much.
Yeah.
Not a surprise secret comeback for him, I guess. But it's only the first round. Anything can happen. Oh, 6:47 there.
Nice.
Not bad.
Who is it?
Drew.
Drew. Oh yeah, I met. Yeah, I met him today.
Felix going again.
Oh,
6:44.
Really nice.
You know, he was done with OLL at below 5 seconds. That's really
Yeah.
cool. Wow.
Yeah, oh, he seems.
Oh, 7:08. Sebastian Weyer.
Nice. Yeah, Felix seemed.
He seemed to realize it as well.
Yeah.
He cheered for it. 7:92 for Philip. That's not really what he's looking for. $7:44 for Martin. And 7:01 for Lucas.
$9.50.
I have to say, I would expect like maybe a little bit more of the really fast time. So far, we only have seen a 5 from Michał.
Yeah.
You could even hear it by the crowd. You know, they're not cheering that hard, really.
Yeah, 7. But
Like compared to the finals of 6 and 7 yesterday.
yeah, that's right. But also there is a lot of 7, so there will be good average.
Yeah, but you know, 7. That's like 7 is the new 8. It's not really that fast anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, 8:92 for Mats.
So we have a 9.11 from Drew.
Morton on the left.
Lucas.
Oh.
Eight
Yeah. Apparently the
point-
scrambles are not that great. Maybe, yeah.
8.17 for Lucas. Max again.
Anchor release on the right. Yeah, Cornelius really has a thing for pressure. Like he's not really coping with the pressure that good, I guess. Like I guess at home he's not really much slower or faster for that matter than Philip and Sebastian in Germany. But you know, in competition he doesn't really seem to do well. 6.65 for Max. Kevin Gerhardt with 6.45. Seems like he did his homework. Yeah, looks like this first round is starting to come to an end. Only a few last solves going on. Averages are being calculated on their phones. And Seung for maybe his last solve on the left. .664, good one.
Yeah.
Who won the first round? I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Is it Feliks?
I have no idea.
It's really hard to tell, really. Yeah, so yeah, Kian has a good one. Yeah, Max is probably going to do well.
Yeah, someone saying Max. Max.
Just waiting for the live results right now.